Mascot International AS is one of Europe's largest manufacturers of workwear and safety footwear. Every day, Mascot is worn by millions of users from many different industries all over Europe. The range is broad, from certified fluorescent safety wear to trendy workman's wear and safety shoes in many safety classes. Mascot has more than 1,300 employees, and every day they work on developing and innovating the company, so it remains an attractive partner with an efficient logistics system and long-lasting products. Mascot is also ISO 9000 certified. Sales to end users are handled by an extensive distributor network throughout Europe. Mascot is a family-run company, today led by Managing Director Michael Grossberl, representing the second generation of the Grossberl family. The founders Tove and John Grossberl are still involved daily in the business. The administrative base is in Denmark, but gradually the company has extended throughout other countries in the world to achieve its paramount aim of producing top-quality workwear in a professional way. Several years of research and constant testing go into every product manufactured by Mascot. The first ideas for new workwear arise at Mascot's product development department in Denmark. As soon as they've developed into something specific, prototypes are produced. These are sent for testing by members of Mascot's large user panel. This comprises discerning users in various industries who report back on anything from material quality and pocket locations to product comfort. Potential Mascot products are therefore at work long before actual mass production starts. Many Mascot products are highly technical, for instance the safety shoes and fluorescent products. These also have to pass many different tests at internationally approved analysis institutes to secure the necessary certifications and meet Mascot's demanding comfort and safety requirements. Alongside the testing, anywhere from building sites to industrial companies around Europe, Mascot's own laboratories are working hard in both Denmark and Vietnam. In the laboratories, both potential and existing fabrics are tested. Any new products launched in the Mascot range must of course be made from fabrics perfectly suited to the working environment where they're meant to be used. There may be special requirements, for example, durability or waterproofness. All fabrics used in Mascot's production have undergone thorough laboratory tests, both physical and chemical. Sophisticated machines run round the clock, testing wearability, tear and tensile strengths. Colour continuity and seam slippage tests are also crucial when assessing whether a fabric is good enough for Mascot's production. In 2007, Mascot began to build a completely new production facility in Vietnam, and less than a year later, Mascot Vietnam opened. The 16,000 square metre facility now houses more than 1,000 employees in the raw materials warehouse, sewing facility and quilt production. When Mascot began building the factory in Vietnam, having its own customs-controlled warehouse was crucial to a good production flow. Mascot is the first and so far only foreign investor to have been granted a license to operate its own customs-controlled warehouse with incorporated quality control. For instance, all dyed fabrics are screened to ensure there are no flaws or colour variations before they're used. Mascot manufactures approximately 4 million workwear items every year. About half of these are made at Mascot's own factory in Vietnam. Every evening it has 7,000 finished products ready for shipping to Mascot's finished goods warehouse in Denmark. The rest of the products are made in contract factories in various parts of Asia. Many of the products sewn at Mascot's own factory are technical products requiring special equipment and special checks. An example would be the many waterproof products requiring sealing tape on all seams. Every week, large containers full of workwear are shipped from the port near Hanoi. About 6 weeks later, the same products are received in another part of the world by the Danish colleagues of the Vietnamese employees. Mascot has developed and manufactured workwear since 1982. Over the years, the company has developed a very efficient development and distribution flow. A few years ago, the company added a completely new product category to its range. An entire safety footwear collection was launched in an effort to provide the customers with quality-tested workwear from head to toe. All quality standards and development strategies were transferred from clothes development and manufacture to footwear. In this way, Mascot ensured high quality and thoroughly tested design and fit from the very first collection. The production itself is a high-technology process with many sub-operations which require very specialized equipment and training. Mascot safety footwear is manufactured at well-regarded production facilities in China. They're regularly inspected by Mascot's footwear specialists. Denmark is the strategic headquarters of Mascot, and the complex logistics system is also managed from here. Mascot's 30,000 square metre finished goods warehouse contains more than 2 million products ready for shipping to customers. The delivery time from order to nearby locations is overnight, and to the rest of Europe, 2 to 3 days. Mascot's product range includes more than 17,000 different product numbers, and keeping control over that demands fundamental systemization. To assist with this, Mascot implemented the resource planning system SAP in 2001. The extensive daily use of SAP at all Mascot's addresses around the world ensures a systematic and effective flow throughout the organization. Every day, orders of widely varying sizes are received from all over Europe. They're processed and packed on an hourly basis. Precisely because of the efficient logistics, Mascot is also able to pack individual boxes for each employee at large companies. In addition, the workwear can be supplied with printed company logo and name. Mascot's print department is located in the same building as the finished goods warehouse. That increases efficiency and reduces the processing time for the customer. Mascot products are sold exclusively through distributors. They're spread throughout Europe, and small end-user companies contact them directly. Mascot sales representatives visit the distributors at regular intervals. Mascot's representatives provide guidance on sales campaigns and help to decorate the shop. They're also happy to offer advice to customers. A couple of times every year, the distributors' sales personnel are offered more thorough sales training at Mascot. At regular intervals, Mascot also organises special events where Mascot workwear and footwear are tested to work in completely new ways. Mascot's end-user customers work in many different industries, each with its own requirements and challenges. To service them, Mascot has sales organisations throughout Europe. Sales consultants with in-depth knowledge of the industry are employed in every organisation. The large end users are visited by Mascot sales representatives on site. Together, the customer and Mascot sales representatives decide on a suitable range, including the various services useful to the individual customer. During the selection process, representatives of major customers usually also spend some time in one of Mascot's many showrooms, located in a number of large cities in Northern Europe. One of the many services offered by Mascot to end-user customers is the Mascot Smart Store. This is a specially developed software system which makes it easy for the customer to order new workwear directly in Mascot's system. Both distributors and end-user companies are serviced on a daily basis by Mascot's International Customer Services Centre. The employees speak more than 10 languages in their contact with partners from all over Europe. Here too, SAP is an effective tool for managing everything from order input to product shipping. Mascot is a company for whom the mass production of workwear is indisputably associated with ethical working practices throughout the whole process. When Mascot established the factory in Vietnam, it was built under European working conditions and to European safety standards. On that basis, a construction project taking about 500,000 man-hours was completed without a single industrial injury. This attracted great attention in a country where industrial injuries are a huge problem and where good working conditions on building sites are by no means a matter of course. For this reason, Mascot was awarded several prizes for its good working environment and as a role model for investors in Vietnam. Most recently, Mascot received an award for its efforts to provide social security for its employees. The Vietnamese authorities presented Mascot with the award as a model investor in the presence of the Danish royal couple when they visited the Vietnamese company in 2009.
For many years, our slogan has been "tested to work," and that is also a work strategy, penetrating the entire organization and the consciousness of every employee. When we work on something, we are prepared to go to great lengths to ensure a good result, which creates value for both our customers and us.